Good morning. Good morning. Yo, what up? What's going on? Just getting the stream live. What up, Dell? How am I doing? I'm doing really good. Started the day off with a nice copy trade. We up. We up. I'm actually trying to see if they reject it right here. But I'm trying to oh man, that copy trade. I don't get why that copy traded. I'm just some issues with the old copy trader. No big deal. What up, Sean? Yo, Net Baba. What's crack-a-lacking? Just getting it all set up. Yo, what up, CT? Come on, give me a big fucking dump. You got chopped up a little bit after poker. How was poker? Poker good? Yo, I appreciate it, Net Baba. I appreciate the support. I saw there was a lot of people on. Come on. Come on. Give me like 10 more points. Just one big freaking candle. What's up, Amir? Come on. Come on. One big push. Yo, remember, today's Thursday. There's no trading tomorrow. Right? Today's Thursday? Today's Thursday, no trading tomorrow. Oh, we about to the worst thing you could do today is do something stupid. You go red, and then you are freaking got to wait 3 days to trade. Just remember that. Do not Did I run the open? It didn't open yet. We're not open yet. I'm just trading pre-market. I'm trying to set the thing up. All right. Yo, I just posted the link in the Discord. Oh, baby. Oh, it flushed. I'm setting it up right now. You're long on open? Dude, getting wild. Yeah. I'm gonna stream. I'm not gonna play the opening range. No. I'm already up like 2, 3, 4. I mean, there's no reason for me to really risk it for the biscuit. What up, Prophet P? I'm just doing I'm setting this thing up. Start date is Friday at 10 a.m. Friday at 10 a.m. is the start date. Just, I'm setting this up for everybody. Yo, do you guys want rebuys or no rebuys? Wait, yo, Netflix? No way. Maverick of Wall Street? I don't even know what that is. One rebuy? One rebuy. I'm just... All right, so we're doing one rebuy. Oh, baby. Somebody just got smoked out of their position. Wow. Bro, what was that? What was that? Yo, I don't get why they I don't get what the dude, this thing just completely fucked me. This was definitely I'm trying to set this up for everybody tomorrow, and it's just crazy. All right, I just updated it. Link is in the description. Yo, the link for poker's in the Discord. I'll post the link to the Discord through the day. But you guys that are here should know it. If you don't have the link to the Discord, comment in the chat and I'll send it to you. Oh. What do we got? YouTube, interesting video how China crashed the bond market. I'll take a look at it. Yo, Netflix earnings are the day before Good Friday? Are you sure? Are you sure about that? I'm pulling the earnings calendar up now. Damn, TSM was this morning. Oh, wow. Dude, Netflix is tonight. That's crazy. Yo, I heard United Healthcare was down big. What up, BK? Yeah. The juice. Oh, they just put this out. That's why we popped. That's why we popped. Yo, I'm waiting for them to take my money out. I'm not trading any of those accounts over the buffer until they take my money out. Not about to lose payout money just because I need to trade it. TSM's up a little bit. Dude, Netflix is hanging. Man, I'm not going to lie. That makes you a scammer and schemer. Oh, what? That I'm going to wait until they take my money out? Yeah. Yo, Netflix is just too high for me to like. I'm not touching that. I ain't touching it. Oh, you've done that, BK, where you requested money, you traded, and then you lost it, and then they didn't pay you? That's what they want to do. All these firms, what they want you to do is request money, and then they got to approve it. And why it's waiting, they give you like a day to kind of trade maybe, you know. And then what happens? You lose, and then they're like, denied payout. You don't have the money in the account. Yeah. I ain't trading. Payout schemes. To me, I'm just waiting for you to pay me my money I earned. Yeah, I never trade the account. I never, ever trade the account until they can until they give me my money. Hold on one second, boys. Thank you. Yeah. Last day early because the rest of the days I got the kids in the morning and whatnot. Is your VWAP right? I don't know. Let me see. It seems like it is right. I'll look what it's at. Yo, we didn't even sweep London lows. Where is my fucking VWAP? Yo, by the way, this is why I played that short before. You got the 3-bar on the 5, and I played that to the downside. That's exactly why I got in. Got the old 3-bar. I'm just adjusting my shit now. Look, so now we just traded back up into this 5-minute fair value gap. I'm not taking this because we're 7 minutes from the market, but watch us reject. Yo, yours just moved? Yo, if you weren't on the stream before, this is my best advice today. You ready for the best advice you'll ever hear? We have no trading tomorrow. Don't fuck up today because you'll have 3 days of no trading, basically, and you'll just be thinking about it. So if you go up early, go get an eval. Don't mess up the funded account. You know, if you make the money in the funded account, just shift to an eval where you're like, whatever. I'm having some fun. I got a cheap eval, and I'm just gonna play. Don't mess up the funded, guys. My wife just bought me a cappuccino and a blueberry muffin. The we'd go. See that rejection? See that rejection? Look, you could have got 20-something points easily. Not only that, you have an order block up here and the fair value gap. Caleb, what's up, man? Day 2 on my first ever eval account. Wow, you're brand new. Here, I'll give you the clap. Traffic P, way to catch that. I'm just curious, what were you looking at that made you catch that? Were you looking at the same thing, or were you looking at something else? I'm just wondering. That's a 3-bar right there, too. Look at that. That's a big 3-bar. Yo, who thought you were going to get the clap on Thursday morning? You figured at least it'd be Friday night, right? Got to risk it for the biscuit. All seriousness, I wouldn't be surprised if we roll all the way over to the bottom. Now you have Netflix earnings coming up. I only grabbed 2 micros. This is not like me. Oh, man, so good. All right. If you want to play poker tomorrow, the link's in the Discord. I'll be giving out accounts to the winners and stuff like that, and it doesn't cost anything to play. So if you want to play and have some fun, If you want to play, it's absolutely free. And we're going to play tomorrow at 10 o'clock since there's no market. Figured we'd all give ourselves something to do. Yo. Fucking Google, man. Google's making me verify. I'm like, bro, it's me, dog. Let me in. Amir, you never played before? What better time than now? Awesome. Somebody tried to activate my email address. Bro, if you're on this stream and you're trying to activate my email address, unbelievable, dude. Now I got to change this shit. All right. Anybody take this? Bro, someone tried activating my email address at 5 in the morning. Oh, I didn't realize the market opened, CT. Nah, we're sold off. See, we're sold off on the bottom. It might keep going. You got to remember also, there's a trailing drawdown on these accounts. Yo, 458 would be the spot. I don't know if we're going to get there. Where's London lows at? Not London. Asia lows is 370, 377. I told you guys we were going down. I'll just sit here and keep drinking my tea like Kermit. Boom, 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 boom. 346 you got? Why do you have 346? Oh, dude, because you're... Why do you have 346, Stone? Asia starts at 8 o'clock. I don't even use those orders. Yes, yo, Stone, Asia starts at 8, dog. Gotta include Asia pre-market. I don't include Asia pre-market. Yo, what up, Code? Yo, Asia pre-market. Fucking hysterical. I guess this is done. We're ready stacking gains. Watch them come down, touch this imbalance, and then come through. Yo, pre-marculation? What up, Waldo? Dude, I played this short and just waiting now. I mean, we just dumped freaking 100 points. So now I'm just waiting. But I got some of it. Not a whole lot. I think we're going lower. I think we're definitely going lower. I'm just trying to send the winner of the duck race yesterday the info. Bam. What up, Prelim? Yo, how you guys doing today? Man, I should have held. You're telling me, P. You're telling me. What's crazy is when I originally took a short, my stop was going to be right here at 567. And then obviously I sold out here and then I reshorted. Yo, okie doke. What up, man? What up? What up? Dumping. Yo, what up, Mike? I'm just sitting here waiting for the sweep of Asia lows. Or as Stone says, pre-market Asia lows. Bro, if it goes down to the pre-market Asia lows, I think we're right here, actually. 74. We got within 10 points. If I was in an eval, I would leg in. But I'm not. If I was in an eval, I would have legged in somewhere around here. Come on. Am I going to miss this by 10 points? I want it. All right. Now we're getting close enough for me. I want one more big leg down. I need that big third leg down. I just want it to swing down below the Asia lows, and then we pop right back up. So we just a swing down, and then we go right up. Wrong line. It happens. Yo, need that Mandingo candle. Oh, geez. Why am I want to change this? Can I change that to 5? Yo, let's see. We hit the volume imbalance. I'm just in for a quick scalp here. Come on. Push me down. Nope. Not doing it. Look at, I was too late. Dude, these are awesome for little scalps. Just little scalps. I could have got a hundy out of it. So anytime we travel pretty far, I like taking a scalp off the volume imbalance. Yo, what up, Kevin? Yo, Josh is in the building. Smash the like button. Let's go, baby. Let's make some money. Who's looking to hold stocks over the weekend? I don't see people wanting to hold over a 3-day weekend. That was a pivot also? Oh, geez, it was. And you're in the 5-minute fair value gap. Actually, we exit the gap at 33. I'll take a gap exit. I'll take a gap exit if we exit down. Yo, I wish they had the pivots on the Tradeovate chart so I could see it on this thing. I guess I could draw it every day, but geez. I'm not trying to do any work. I just want it done for me. Just draw the lines, man. Just scalped on the way through. Dude, that exited the 5-minute fair value gap. Real nice. Pivot standard. I think Ninja's different though, aren't they? I heard Ninja's pivots are different. I don't know if that's true. Yo, what up, B Trading? Be making that money. Tell them. Yo, good morning, Maria. How are you doing today? I also have, dude, I looked at that real fast and I thought it said I also have an armadillo. I was like, what? I just had to look at that again. Oh, cam pivots? I was like, what is this guy talking about? Yo, they're all over in Florida. Maria, you're working from home? Where? What are you in the States? If you're in the States, what state are you in? You don't have to give your town or anything, but what state are you in? Oh, you're in the ATL? Dude, weather's nice down there. My uncle lived down there on some lake for a while. Is Lake Marion down there? Is that Lake Marion in Atlanta? No. Wrong lake. He definitely lives on the lake in Georgia, though. I'm in Miami. Our state animal is the roach. Jeez. Originally from Argentina, though. Married to the American dream. Dude, I bet you Argentina is nicer looking. Like, I just feel like Argentina has like a great, just nice looking areas. Yo, design knob. Dude, that's like people that come on here. They're like, can you tell me where exactly you live? Somebody asked. I was like, bro, don't show up at my house. You can obviously find me if you want to find me. All of my information has been given out on this stream at some point, but don't show up at my house. It's not like I don't even have time to see my own friends. So it's not like we could just go hang out. Like, I got kids' sports. I got things to do. Man, that was really nice. Do not come. Do not come. 140 inflation. Wow. Yeah, I know a lot about Florida, Mike. I've been down there a lot. Party at Coves. Yeah. Some guy, well, actually a couple guys looked me up and they actually put in this chat where I live, like the town, which means he obviously looked me up. I was like, bro, chill out. Where am I going to stay when I go to New York? Dude, honestly, you don't want to stay by me. I don't even know if there's any good hotels. You want to stay in the city if you can. The city's where everything's at. We are going to do a meetup. In the next 12 months, I will do a meetup in Vegas. That I will tell everybody. I'm going to meet in Vegas, and we're going to do it within the next 12 months. If you can come, you come. If you can't, you can't. But I am going to go to Vegas to go hang out, and we're going to invite a bunch of people. Yeah, we're going to do a meetup. Yeah. Do a meetup. We'll do like a dinner or something. And then we'll just hang out. I'll probably be there from Friday morning to Sunday. I'm on Top Step TV on Tuesday, McLean. Top Step TV on Tuesday at 11 p.m. So not 11 p.m., 11 a.m. So what I'm going to do is on Tuesday, I'm going to stream early for like 45 minutes, an hour, and then I'll hop off and go. I'll go on Top Step from like 11 a.m. till noon. I think it's just me, though. Coming right back up to it's just a lot of resistance here. You could see this at one point. This was all support. We bounced 1, 2, 3 times, and then we came up, got rejected. 454. I'll take it. Whatever happens, happens. If I get stopped, I got stopped. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Asia lows was 70. Dude, we bounced right off Asia lows. Look, 374. I actually stopped watching it because I'm an idiot. But yeah, we bounced right off. If you guys want to get this script, it's called ICT Kill Zones Toolkit by Lux Algo. See, we bounced right off of it. Now, I'm not saying we can't go right through, but that's 2 days in a row that we bounced. Look, yesterday we bounced right off of it. Today we bounced right off of it. But, you know, just like yesterday, you could bounce and then you could sell off. You know, you might have a bounce and then sell off. I don't listen. I just use my own concepts and I listen and implement stuff. I'm not, I don't know. I'm a little bit of everything. I know some people do this 10 a.m. silver bullet. Dude, the last time I heard of a silver bullet, I was in one of those shops and it was late night. Definitely wasn't trading. Yeah, I mean, I just kind of take concepts from wherever. Core silver bullet? No, that wasn't it. It was a toy. Right? That's what it was called. Yeah, that's exactly what it was called. If you know, you know. She loved it. I should have taken my fucking $80. That's what I get for not taking my $80. People always ask me why I scalp, because I'm up $80. I could have taken $80, and then I probably would have reshorted up here. Instead, I'm stuck. I think I don't have them on Ninja, Maria. Somebody that has NinjaTrader, is it just called pivots? Pivot points? I'll look in 2 seconds on my Ninja if I have. Let me see. Yo, I'm taking that. $140 after sweating it. All right. Pivot points? Oh, it's just called pivots. It's just called pivots in the indicators. I assume that's the one they're using. So you just go to here, you right-click your mouse, and you go to indicators, and you just scroll down to pivots. Yeah, no problem. What you guys may not know is there's a lot of NinjaTrader check this out. I'm going to show you this. And so NinjaTrader has a lot more indicators than you know. And the website is that, oh man, did we catch the top? So if you go to NinjaTrader ecosystem.com, you can search all different free, there's a bunch of free NinjaTrader strategies, apps, the whole thing in here. So I would look in there. I've gotten a couple from there. What's up, Noel? Oh, Maria, you don't have to do that. I appreciate it, Maria, but I'm just doing it to help you out. I just here to help you guys out. I enjoy the community aspect of it all. But I will put it towards more accounts for everybody. Yeah, Thinkorswim is another good platform. They do have a good platform. Oh, watch this. We're going to be I'm going to run poker tomorrow. It's free to join. The couple winners are going to get free accounts. And that's what we're going to do. If you want, there's no trading tomorrow. Okay, 205. I appreciate that, 205. Yeah. I just know NinjaTrader has a ton of stuff that not loaded up. I tried to trade on Ninja. Now I just use Replicanto. But there's a guy in here, Andy, for you NinjaTrader people. I don't think you guys know, but if you go to strategies, you can load up different strategies and NinjaTrader will trade for you. It'll allow you to get in and out, or you just want to get in and then you can get out whenever you want. But you can have, like, Dell, you trade the moving average crossover. You can set this to automatically buy when the moving averages cross over either way. I forgot. I completely lost I forgot to tell you that. Maybe on the afternoon stream, Paul. Afternoon stream is the big one. Yo, when Dell's back in here, I got to tell him that. I completely forgot. He plays the crossovers, and that would be pretty good. Yo, Dell, so in NinjaTrader, you can do a strategy that will automatically trade the crossovers for you. Look, you set it up, and on bar close, on bar close on each tick, however, and all your things. Oh, all right. No problem. I was just helping you out. So you don't need to watch it. You can just kind of play the crosses if you wanted to. I should run the crossover strategy and just do an eval and see what happens. Yes. You could basically set anything you want up, Maria. I suggest using like somebody else's indicator that has an EMA strategy, and then you basically edit that to your liking. What's going on, Kakao? Yeah. It's just another thing I got to mess with. But yeah, it's on my list. It's definitely on my list of things. What is it? The resources are too much, Dell? Too resource heavy? Yeah, I would test it on simulation because they give you a sim account, and I would run the simulation for like a week and see what happens. And then you could make tweaks, and then eventually it would just trade for you. That's what Andy does. Andy has it. So this guy that's in the room, he does it to get him into positions, and then he manually exits. That's how he uses it. Yeah. There's a lot of Ninja allows you to do a lot of cool stuff. Oh, this is going downtown. I definitely got a bad entry. There we go. I just wanted to get that 70. That was a quick 75. I have a feeling it's going to come all the way down, though. It's going to seek out right here, 394. Watch. I'm really liking this volume and balance indicator on Tradeovate. Yeah, Tebow. It's pushing. I just got a bad entry. I think there's going to I feel like there's going to be a flash down today. Somebody said some crap this morning. If you look, Well, they said the U.S. was ready to open and make deals. But here, downside risks to economic growth have increased. That was talked about at 8:55. Growth this year is likely significantly slower and unemployment up. Fed Williams. There's a lot of not great headlines out there today. The only good headline that's out there is the U.S. is open to make deals. Oh, ECB interest rate. Whoa, Marie is up in here. What's going on? Just tell us how much you're up, Marie. I think you are up $275. What up, Lord? I'm going to change my camera today to this screen, by the way. That's what I got to do. You have the day off? I passed the Top Step account last night for the first time. Well, first of all, who thought you'd get the clap? That's awesome. Trading last night. Dude, when I trade at the night, Marie, it's either really good or really bad. There is no in between. Nothing like getting the clap nice and early. Yeah, so the hourly has a 3-bar on it. That is not, look at this. The hourly has a 3-bar and the MACD is rolling over. Now, granted, this is hourly, but we're also early in the day, which means we're going to have another 5 or 6 candles. I'm going to take it in this account. On a bounce, I'm probably going to go short. On a bounce, I'm probably looking to go short, and I'm going to play off this. All right, well, I'm going to go in pretty good here. Hold on. I need Replicanto. 211. 203. All right, on a bounce, I'm going to take this short, and I'm going to put my stop somewhere up here, and I'm going to risk a good amount, to be honest. Ah, there you go, Dell. There you go. Yo, I see you moved your Asia low. You moved your Asia low now? You're not counting pre-market Asia anymore? Yo, what up, Xanax? Come on, bounce more. Bounce more. I want to see. This is a shit entry, but we go up to 41. I'm probably going to risk it for the biscuit. Can I DC? You can DCA with Apex. Now, just remember, these types of trades I am not great in. I am great on scalping. I'm great on stuff like that. These long holds, I am not the best. So I'm not even going to act like I am. What up, Lee? I love trading. I love Tradovate. Tradovate just works for me. Whew. I'm probably going to be in this one for a little bit. Can't get out of the opening range. Yeah. I'm moving my stop up. If I get fucking stopped, I get stopped. Yo, you got the shakes, Lee? You got the trade shakes? I'm tilted. Don't look at the P&L. Just look at the chart. Where this is the problem with trading high time frames. 62 is where you really don't want to see it over 62. Yo, I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. I never got filled here, right? No, never got filled. Oh, no. Fill me at 89, man. Are you not going to fill me at 89? Oh, you're doing me dirty right now. Super dirty. Fill me at 89. I'll be trading and walking 12 dogs at the same time. Jeez. Come on. There, I'll move it up just a little bit. I gave in a little bit. I gave you a little bit. Come down and hit me. I need 93. Are we going through this again? Come on. Yes. I don't play the ones, though. I don't play the ones and twos. I need a red candle down. Please. What have I done to you? Come on. Just a flash down and get me out of half. It's so weird. It keeps bouncing off my fucking buy. It's like I bought. Yo, you don't know how to play poker, caveman? You were on last night. Weren't you playing with everybody last night? All right, I got out of half. And I'm getting out of the rest for a bounce. Holy shit, guys. Anybody else hang in there with me? Anyone else pleading to the stock gods to get us out? I should have just jumped in here. This looks like we're going lower, but I would love to see us come back and touch this 34. Yeah, yo, he's playing us, Dell. He knows how. Premature stopulation. Gets you every time. This looks like it's going to dump. You're going long? May God have mercy on your account. Oh, just fucking bust it down. Just do it. Just fucking unload it. It's going to, if they unload it, it's going to be an algo candle down. It's going to be like, and it's just going to drop big dog style if they drop it. All right, I moved my stop on this account to even because I was afraid of that. Okay. Marie, got it. That was That was a solid scalp. Just we're oversold. We're going to pop back up, and I think they're going to unload it. I think eventually we're going down here. I got to switch my Replicanto up. 19 and man, they are not. This is super small. I really wanted to bounce to add. I just don't want to miss out if it just unloads. If it just unloads and comes down, I got whatever. I'm looking to get back in on a pop also, Jay Styles. But if it doesn't, I'm literally at like a 20% size. I'm at a 5th size right now. Whatever happens, happens. If we dump, we dump, and I get a couple shekels out of it, whatever. What up, Walter? Zabak. I hate hold days. Yeah. Yo, guys, check this out. What's that say? At 8:57 in the morning. I'm calling us going red today. Where were we at 8:57 in the morning? Green as shit. We were all the way up here. I called we were going red today. It had that red feeling to it. Let it bounce. Let it bounce. I knew we were going to go red. Gave it all back. I mean, we can obviously bounce back, but I knew we were giving it all back. It had that feel. We're in a bear market. Every time it bounces like that, they just give it up. I'm saying we'll go up and down. Come on. Nah. I just don't think it's going to go up. It just feels heavy as shit. I was up $90. There we go. I turned that bitch green. I'm out half and I'm at even. I'm at break even right now. Move to break even. It's a free trade. And I got fucking stopped out. I made a little bit. I'm all about getting to break even as fast as possible, to be honest with you. Because if you can move to break even, you're not going to lose. You know, the reason I would move to break even faster on something like this is stochastics are way oversold on the 1, and we're far away from the 9. So we're definitely a little overextended. They'll probably bounce it back up to like 76 and then roll. Previous day low. Oh, all the way down here? Yeah, that's probably the draw if we start getting lower. We start getting into the 200s. I wouldn't be surprised. See, now you're just kind of following this 9, right? When we start trending, you just kind of follow the 9. You close below it. This is, I mean, we popped above, but we didn't close above. Can we DCA with Apex only one time by trade? You could, I think you can DCA as many times as you want now. I think they changed the rules. Oh, man, my back. I'll try a small size at the 9 right here. Woo! $81. You got to remember, you don't need a lot of trades to make a lot of money. Like, I just did this, right? You do that twice, you're at $160 on the day. You don't, I mean, $160 is great for a day. Like, especially if you do it quick, like, you know, if you hit it in the morning, you go do whatever you want the rest of the day. Like, you know, $160 a day will definitely change things. Yeah, you can DCA with Apex. Damn, this thing just unloaded. $160. What? I'm tapped out. Okay. I don't know what you want. I got to go today. Mrs. Cove wants money. Tell her to go to a work bank. What up, Kyle? My demo position is giving me funded account FOMO. Yo, break it off. I just told her you work. Just go to the bank. Go to your TD bank. I bank at Wells Fargo, but I'm like, yo, go to TD. We're on one of those plans. Cove, I just got to Tradeify using your coupon. Yo, I appreciate the support, Baba. Take it to a payout, man. Take it to a payout. Man, we got this. Our bias was so right today. Yo, Donald, you know the deal. I whisper. Yo, have you seen that Keel? What is that? Peel and what is it? What's those two guys' names? They're hysterical. Keel and Peel. Is that what it is? The guys on Key and Peel. Yo, when he's like, yo, I told her, and he's like,
bitch.
And they like look around. He's like, yeah, what'd you say? What'd you say? I told her. I was like, you do that.
Bitch.
Bro, that shit's so funny. And then at the end, they're in space and they're like looking around, making sure his wife's not around. Yo, I ain't no dummy, Donald. Ain't no dummy. I got a long night with Mrs. Cove. We're going bowling with the whole family. We're not bowling family either. I haven't been bowling in years. But my dad's home from Mexico, so he wants to go bowling. Look, just follow the 9, man. The 9 just when we're trending, when you're actually in a trend and you can acknowledge that you're in a trend, you just kind of follow it. I think you're about to say something else. Wow, look at that. 5 points away. Anybody grab that? Who in here grabbed this short and held? I know that there's someone in this chat who doesn't really talk that grabbed the short when I did. They didn't sell out when I did, and they're up like 100 plus fucking points right now. And they're like screaming at their computer or they're at work and they're like, holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, you scalped it? Yo, I scalped it too, but I know someone held this. Nah, I wouldn't get in the I wouldn't get in far away from the 9. Yo, Kyle Carter, 140 points. Oh, baby. Yup. Nice work, man. I mean, 140 points. I mean, you don't have to take another trade today at all. I mean, you could be done. I'm worried about shorting anymore because now we're back over 300. Not that I don't think it could go down. I just think you're going to get a little shenanigans here. Bro, 2 micros? Yeah, what did 2 micros pay you, though? What'd you make? Like $600? Dude, I'll take $600. Yeah. Dude, how long does it take you to make $500 at work? Probably not 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And if you're making $500 at work in 15 minutes, then get back to work and stop trading. Gold just dumped. I would watch out with gold, to be honest with you. Oh, geez. That's a massive dump. That's $45. Yo, what up, Brandon? See, I feel like it's going to hold 300 for a little bit. I feel like we're going to hold 300 for a little bit. I'm waiting to see what we do with the 15-min fair value gap. If we break through, I'm going down at yesterday's pre-market low. So I want to say the ultimate short, but a great short would be we go right back up into this zone and we roll over. Also, guys, look, this is why I was short bias. When you look at the higher time frames, you can develop a good bias on the market. You got a 3-bar reversal on the 1 hour. That is massive. Not only that, MACD was starting to turn over also. Plus, you got a 5-bar early, a 3-bar earlier, but the 3-bar on the hourly, that's when you're in for a big move. And sure enough, we got it. It's almost a 200-point move. I would add this to all your charts. I don't use it on anything lower than the 5, though. Some people in the chat use it on the 1. I only use it on the 5 or above. Oh wow, this is still cruising down. What up, Mad Moxie? I almost lost all my profits on that bounce. Dude. Lock it in, man. You got to be up now that it dropped more. I can't post the link in here, but if you're looking for the, I don't even know where it went. Where the hell did Discord just go? I don't know where Discord just went. Damn. Yo, you got to be back up. Yo, in Discord is the link for poker for tomorrow at 10 a.m. if you want to play. It's free to join, and we'll be doing account giveaways and things like that. Plus, yo, that's a good one. Yo, isn't it crazy how we came down and touched this volume imbalance and bounced? I'm not saying it's going to hold, but it's so interesting. Interesting how it works. I don't even know what bottom is this. I got to go to the 15. We're starting to get oversold on the 15. Just realize that. What up, Luca? Where do I see the rebound happening? I love a good rebound. But for the market, it might happen right here. Let's see. I got the worst entry of mankind. Oh shit. Fuck me, man. I got to get out. I bought two minis. I thought I was in micros. That sucks. So I just blew $200 real quick. Fuck it. Now watch. It's going to go up, and now I'm going to be... Yo. Fuck it. All right, I got my 200 bucks back. Dude, you know what's crazy is? I was in two minis right at 290. I would be up fucking $1,200 or something like that already. Oh, jeez. I'd have been 30 points, 2 cons. Actually, we just blew into watch this. We just blew into the 1 hour imbalance. They're gonna pop this probably to 34. Right? See, so that's why I like these imbalances. When you travel a far way, you definitely got to look at them for support. Yo, what did I say? Right to 34. Look at that shit. Look at that. Could have got the rejection. Just seeing it. Just seeing it, seeing the market really well. Dude, I mean, this is great. All right, let's see what happens. I'm going to take the 34 rejection. Not the best entry. I could have got entered up here. Don't do me like that. Oh, yo, the 5 has the 3 bar to the upside at 338. Did I get wicked out? Are they John wicking me out? I'm just scalping this. I figure they're going to bring it down to like 24, 24-ish maybe. I'm no longer bearish, to be honest with you. I could see them bringing it up to 382 here. Maybe we come up to 382 and then short it down from 3 to 382 down. What up, Vivek? That would be the move. Fucking roll it over, baby. Roll it over for me. I'm not looking for a lot. Just give me a little bit. Just give me a little bit. No, the other way. Down. Get down. Nah, they're going to pop this thing. Yeah, they're going to pop it. They're going to pop it. Unbelievable. Sean's on the plane. Yo, every time it starts with me making a mistake, and then the account just goes downhill from there. Always starts with me making a mistake. Dude, I'm joining this thing. Looks like we're going to tag 380 at some point. Yo, CT, I was having this whole conversation last night. I was like, it's so crazy how I can lose so fast, and to make it is so long. Yo, I think about that all the time. I just was up $150 and I didn't hit the fucking button. Oh, 150 would have been nice. Unbelievable. That's why I like scalping. I could have been out. Yo, easy profit, P. Let me get out first, bro. Let me get out. I'm out now. Now it can roll. What up, Jaden? Yo, Nathan White's in here. Milton's in here. What's going on, guys? Oliver Phillips is in here. I'm going to try riding the 9. Sounds like you're in for some big fun there, Corey. Yo, what up, Lenny? Yo, it does defy logic. What up, Bob? James is here. Pascal. What's going on, guys? Alvin. Yo, freak off. Yo, I got in for a trade on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to see if riding the 9. Yeah, it might. I mean, it's kind of consolidating right here. See what happens. What up, Victor? Pips Hunters in here. What up? Well, Corey, if you're in, you are up, my friend. You are up. What up, David? Rosales? This is just the pullback. Dan Henderson. What's going on? Caba's in here. Wow, they just, dude, watch this dump. Dude, that was dirty. They just caught a bunch of longs in there. They just caught a bunch of people off sides on that pop. Let's see if they bring it. Oh, they brought it back for you. What up, Palooza? What up? What up? Oh, how do you not take me out? Why does it always stop like one point away? I'm taking my money only because I'm down $500 freaking dollars in this account. So a little tidbit about this, and I just saw when I saw it happen, I knew we were going to drop. When you have these flag consolidations and they pop like that and then give it right back up, I like going to like the low point and putting my limit orders like right there, and you can usually scalp it for 5 or 10 points to the downside. I'm not saying this is going to go down forever, but there's definitely a play almost every time when they flash it up and they come back that you can then catch a quickie, especially around midday. You get a quick nooner right to the downside for 5 to 10 points. Obviously, you can get a little more here, but that's the play. Yeah. Always take profit, Baba. Yeah, well, when the bull flag invalidates, it becomes bearish. Here we go. Yo, 18,145, Corey. Someone's trying to pass in one day. What up, Joshua? Dude, what is that? Is that low a day? Is that yesterday's low? Yo, or Corey, or you know what you could do? You can go 10 cons and pass it in 10 points. You only have to get to 18,325. That's all you need to do. That's what 10 cons, 10 minis. You pass it real quick. Yo, they traded back into this fair value gap on the 15. I would target 216 maybe to the downside. Yo, without a doubt. Without a doubt, P. Come on. Yo, it's 74 degrees in my office. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. I'm just trying to make back some of my money before I could take a shot. I don't think you're crazy, Corey. How's that sound? I think it could definitely happen. Stochastics are starting to turn up here, though. So I would. What up, Arnold? What's going on, man? I'd like to see consolidation right here and then a dump. I think if we dump real quick, we're going to end up bouncing back. I took the trade off. I think I'm going to regret this shit, right? I'm going to regret this. I would be in and I would be out half at 302. I'm regretting it right now. Yeah, would have got half off. Fuck. I'd be up like $150 right now. Arnold, you know who likes my results other than you? This guy. I love my results also. Yeah, today's been pretty good. We're green. I'm green. I don't know what I did to lose only $15. But I'm waiting for money to get taken out of my accounts. And then I'm waiting for Top Step to take money out of my accounts. So I'm waiting for some payouts. Yo, the wifey. Yeah. The wifey she's liking the gains. So I want this to come up a little bit. Us hang out in the zone and then roll over. That would be the ultimate way this could play out. No, she does not trade. She's asked me to trade, actually. She asked me recently to trade. She, fuck it, you know? YOLO, baby. Break even, push it. I'm at break even. It's so risky because you're at 300 and we bounced off 300 already. You have the wick here, you have 300 here. So that's why I took my position off, because they can easily bounce off 300 and just rip it back in your face. So that's why I moved to break even. And I'm hoping if we can break, yeah, see, they're bouncing it. That's why I got out and I moved to break even. Not saying it can't do it, is looking weak. I'm just saying my style. Oh, shit. My NinjaTrader. Nah, yeah. Yeah, Pascal. You'll withdraw $1,000 and they'll keep 200. Yep. That's exactly. My wife wants to trade, so she's off all summer from work, and she might try to trade a couple days and see how she likes it. And then maybe I'll bring her on the stream one day to trade. Maybe she'll trade on the stream. Oh, man. Yo, you can get daily payouts. Pascal, what are you at right now, Pascal? What's the account balance at? That's a better question. Are you sitting at like $52,500? Where are you at? Yeah, so like if you have 52,500, stop just in case you lose any money and just withdraw the money. Like don't risk it. Just withdraw it. It's not worth risking it. I withdraw. Oh, you're at. Oh no, yeah. Well, you're gonna need a little bit more than that. But if you get to like 52,300 or something, just stop for the day, because basically, if you can withdraw $250, it will pay for the whole account plus more. So and then the next day you can trade and you can just keep taking daily payouts. That's what you want to do. Don't be like, oh, I need to push for more. I need to push for more. Just fucking dump this thing. Yeah. Losing it sucks. So just take the money out at the end of the day. Oh, just dump it, man. What are they waiting for? No one's buying this shit. Dump it. This fucking 300 is just holding. Push it. Push it. All right, I'm half out. Fuck, man. They just keep buying it back up, man. Well, I'm glad I got out fucking half at the bottom. Jeez. Dude, they won't let this pass 300 at all. So Cats, you can withdraw it from your account and put it in your Take Profit Trader wallet. And you don't get a $50 fee. It's when you take the money out of Take Profit Trader, you get hit with the fee. But if you just want to take the money out of the account and put it in your wallet, you can use that money to pay for accounts or resets. They don't charge you anything. It's only when you want to take the money out and put it in your bank account. Yeah, a lot of people don't realize that. Yeah, this is why I got out. Fuck, man. It's the loophole. Yeah, it's something a lot of people don't know about. Definitely a lot of people don't know about it. They all think you need $250. And then what happens is you get people that push for that extra little bit and end up blowing the account. They end up blowing it because they wanted to get like an extra $50. In truth, you didn't even need it. You know? You definitely don't need it. So don't do it. Dude, somebody just got a DNA channel all over their face on this move up. Portfolio punch an hour? Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Dude, that was a massive rip. Yeah, Corey. That was a 100-point ripper. No, anything below $250. If you're over $250, it's no fee. No fee. Yeah. Definitely no fee. I rate, yeah. But no worries. No worries. Yo, a Porter Punch, a market shop that takes all your day's P&L and possible more. I mean, that just ripped 100 points. Oh, I need a better chair, man. My chair is kind of rough. Somebody said one of those steel chairs. Anybody got a cheap, good chair for trading in? But yeah, tomorrow I'll put it in here again. There's the old Discord link for anybody. Steel series, yeah. Why cheap if I'm always in it? Dude, somebody sent me like a $2,000 chair, man. I was like, for $2,000, this better be a happy ending chair. $2,000 chair. I was like, what are you kidding? Oh, man. Stay girthy, my friends. Always. What up, Amir? Yeah, dude. Every time we get one of these pops, they sell the whole thing off. You know, a pop, sell it off. Pop, sell it off. Pop, sell it off. Every pop has been sold off. Yeah, Jerry. A special massage chair is exactly what I need. Gets the people going. I do not follow this. This is a in and out type deal. 85 bucks. 85 quick dollars. Make ya holla. I mean, it's pretty simple. I play 9 bounces, little flag action. Trading doesn't have to be that difficult. I will say we're back in Asia Open. We're at the 34 on the 5. Man, if we can bounce, if we can go back down at 347-ish. Yeah, look at that. You got a 3-bar reversal, and all you had to do is hold. You would have been your stop loss on the 3-bar reversal is 262. I know it's a big reversal. I know it's a big zone, but that's because the candles were big. But this shit works. Shit works a lot. We're going down. Going down like a Tinder date. Let's go. I don't trust any of this stuff. Boom. I bought my Steel Series refurbished, so it was like 500 bucks. Yo, Caveman, did they give you a new padded seat, or is it like the pad was old? Because I'm not too big on getting a used pad of somebody's ass. I hope they reupholstered that shiznick. Buying a used chair, like, I guess if they change the other stuff. Don't need some chair, some guy watching, a whole bunch of shiznick. I don't like this. They redo the padding where I got it from and added a new layer. There you go. You need that fresh padding. Don't want somebody else's pad. By the way, we got earnings today after hours. Here's the earnings calendar for everybody. You got Netflix. I think I'm going to play Netflix earnings. I think I'm playing Netflix earnings tonight. If anybody wants to jump on the old Netflix bandwagon with me, I think they report it exactly at 4 p.m. How's that sound? I think, remember we tried playing it and it was like exactly at 4 p.m. But yeah, that's the earnings. I didn't realize Netflix would report earnings on Thursday when markets close tomorrow. Seems iffy. Seems iffy. Anybody looking to short this thing? I kind of just missed my fucking window. What up, Brandon? I literally just missed my window. I was talking about shorting this thing, but we just dropped freaking 15 points. I'm waiting for a Trump tweet. I feel like we're going to get some type of fireworks today. I should have freaking shorted this. How did I not freaking do it? How? Oh, why did I not? All right. Well, we are coming back down to the 15-minute orb and the 21 on the 5. I might take a little long action here. Anybody in anything right now? Anybody thinking about doing something? They didn't take my money out yet. Take my money out. Let me trade. Guys, it's there you go. $65 real quick. You just got to play the levels. What up, Ryu? That was a big pump. Wonder if that was the bottom for the day. It's way too early in the day to be calling a bottom. I mean, yesterday you would have called, like if I go back to yesterday, hold on one second. Let me go to a better screen here. You know, yesterday when we bounced right here at 10 o'clock, and then we went all the way up, you would have said, oh, the bottom's in for the day, right? Because it looks so good. And that was at 11:30. You know, we had that massive green candle right here at 11:20. You would have been like, oh, the bottom's in for the day, right? And then we sold off 600 points after that. You know what I'm saying? So, like, it's way too soon. When you typically get bottoms, you get a complete washout, and then you get the V-shaped recovery, just like this. This is nice, but I could definitely see us going down. We're only 150 points away from the bottom. One Trump tweet, and we're right probably seeing a 18-1. Depending on where we are around 2 o'clock, I would say the bottom is in if we're still up. But yesterday we dropped 600 points after 12 o'clock. So, you know, I wouldn't be putting on any trades saying that the bottom is in. Kind of in like a megaphone type thing. Kind of. I don't love this. I wish this stopped up here or something where it was a little more tighter. You know, or this didn't go as high and it was tighter. I want a tighter. So yesterday, I drew it out yesterday, but like this is kind of what it reminds me of. Yesterday, we had this move where we were right here. If you look, I'll draw it out like You know, and then when we dropped, it's very similar, but it's a little bit wider. And that's what I'd be looking for. We're at the top of the channel, though. I mean, it's probably not a bad I'll take a shot with a small size just for some funsies. What did the girls say? This looks cute, might delete later. Just for some funsies, maybe. There we go. Quick $47. Yeah, Chad. They invalidate. It's an invalidation, and then it's bullish. The same thing with bull flags. So like we had a bull flag. We had a bull flag right here. And I put a sell order down because I knew that if we broke the bull flag to the downside, you can scalp for points. And when we popped up and gave it all back, some of those ICT guys call it like manipulation, I guess. But like that to me is just a failed break. And then you got another failed break. And after a couple failed breaks, you get under the 9. And I took it for, I think, what was that, $70 to the downside real quick? Anytime you have a bullish formation that invalidates, it's then bearish. And anytime you have a bearish formation that invalidates, it's bullish. Yeah. $800 away and now back. Oh, geez. Yo. People just call it different things. You know, people call it sweeps. People call it, you know, whatever it may be. Fake outs. You know, there's a ton of different terms for it. But yeah, anytime you get it and it really doesn't break fully and close, that's why a lot of guys want to see the close of the candle to get confirmation, and they don't just take it when it goes in. They want to see a confirmation. What's going on, everybody? Anybody new on here? Say what's up. Reveal yourself in the chat. If it's your first time on here, come say what's up. We want to hear from you. And if you got any questions, just put it in the chat. I mean, this is staying above the 15-minute orb. I'll take a shot at this. My stop is right here. I'm only taking a shot because we're above the 15-minute orb, and I think they might trade it back. If we can get over 400, that's going to be the big test. I'm at a third of a size, so that's how much I like this. It's a third of a size of normal. Yo, Jim Blab. Did I miss the duck? Dude, I'll turn it on for 2 minutes. You guys got to be on the stream. Got to be in it to win it. Got to be in it to win it. Going forward, if you miss out, you miss out. I try to make it only open for like 5 minutes. Feeling good today, though. It's Thursday. It's the last day of the week. I'm feeling good. Get over this. Get over this. Do not stay below. Ah, you're giving up the 9. Get above the 9, man. Do it. Do it. Get above the 9. Get above and push it. Yo, no, it's all good, BK. It's not pointed at you. It's pointed at other people. Come on. You kidding me? Do not stop me out. Do not stop me out. Get up there. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. All right, I'm closing it off in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It stops the randoms from just coming in and doing it. That's really what it does. It stops randoms of just popping in for 2 seconds. It does look bearish. I am not going to sit here and lie. Yep, I'm getting stopped out. Stopped out. See, this is one of those incidences that I talked about yesterday when you got to be able to change your bias and make money, right? This is what I talked about yesterday. I was long, right? And I knew once I saw the formation coming that it no longer looked bullish, right? Then when you notice that it's no longer bullish and it's starting to look like a good bearish setup, you get the fucking bearish and you switch your position. You know what I'm saying? You don't just say, oh, well, it is what it is. Like, I saw the setup. I got stopped out. And now it's time to switch my bias like that and say, hey, I'm going in short. And I went in, I got stopped out long with three micros, right? I went in short with 9. So I went in 3 times the size of a position because the setup was looking fucking juicy. You know, you got to be able to change your bias and don't be like, oh, long, long, long. And now I'm just looking for fucking bounces. Like, you got to be able to switch and say, hey, you know what? The long is invalidated. This is a great short. And now it's time to dump it. So look, I got out. I lost $100. We'll just call this. And then I was able to make back 54 plus that. So that's 210. There's another 3 lot in there somewhere. There was 2 3 lots. Well, I'm only down $5 now. So, yeah. Yo, what up, Scotsman? Yeah, you got to be able to change your bias. And this is why you also draw freaking trend lines. Pretty much bounced at the bottom of the trend line. I got out because we were getting close to here. First, I lock in profit with 3, and then I start locking in more. Not only are we getting close to the trend line, but stochastic's starting to turn up also. You see? Starting to turn up from the bottom. Time to get out. Take your profits. You can always re-enter. Yeah, it's definitely a scalper's mentality. Like if you're playing, I don't know, buy and hold. If you're playing buy and hold, you're probably still short, right? I would assume if you're... Oh, look, the 5 created a 3 bar. I didn't even see that. We got a 3 bar on the 5, and we're actually retesting it now. But that would have been a great short, 373 on the 3 bar confirmation. Scotsman, definitely do a demo. NinjaTrader has a free demo if you want to trade it. Or some of the other accounts give you it. Yeah, I mean, BK, that's the ultimate goal about this channel is exactly that. It's just, I'm not looking for anybody to follow my trades. Like, that's not what I want this to be, because what happens when I'm not streaming? What happens if I go on vacation? You know, then you don't make any money. Like, the goal of this channel is for you to learn, and not only learn, but be able to do it on your own and just kind of get concepts or ideas on how I look at trading. And then you guys kind of do it on your own. That's probably a good idea, Marie. That's not a terrible idea. Stone, would you take it off the volume imbalance at 337 or the trend? But you know how I trade may not work for somebody, but the concepts might work for you. But like you'll do something completely different. Like I know people who trade that are profitable that we trade completely different. But we'll talk about some of the similar shit. But overall, we're completely different traders. It's just there's a million ways to do this thing, and you just got to find what works for you. Man, this account was just down $700 and something, and now it's only $5. You guys took the bottom trend. Yeah, that was a nice bounce. Oh man, dude. Damn, Profit P. Getting that cheddar. 700. It's so funny because people look on digital money. Like I could say I made $200 today. And people like, oh, that's all you made was $200. Or like if I withdraw, like I withdrew $300 from Take Profit Trader yesterday. There's somebody that's like, oh, he only withdrew $300 from Take Profit Trader. But like if you take a step back in the real world, what do you got to do to make $300? You know, like it's so you're like when we were looking at it digitally, people almost don't care. They're almost like numb to the money. You got to blow 4 dudes for $200? Jeez. Jim Blab coming out hot. Coming out hot. I'm kind of thinking that we're going to see this unload back down. I don't know if I caught the bottom. Oh, without a doubt. Yeah. I always tell everybody, I'm not great at holding. Like, I'm just not. I'm stopping out if this candle goes green. I'll re-enter higher up. I'm finally going to play pass or smash with a 25K Apex account. Dude, you could pass it really freaking quick in here. Evil Scotsman. If you are withdrawing $300 a day, yeah. Yeah, Scotsman. Yep, I know. I withdrew $1,000 yesterday, and somebody's going to bitch that it's not big enough and say, oh, why aren't you taking more money? So technically, Kevin, that doesn't always work. And here's why. Say you went and did that right here, right? At like 368, right? When we went down, if you didn't go big enough to pass, and now you go back the other way, the drawdown on the one that was up, now you're only going to have like $500 of drawdown. So then you go up, and the one that was up when you were down is now down, is going to blow before you pass. You get what I'm saying? Do you kind of get it a little bit? Now, if you made money in both accounts, Kevin, where you were at $25,700 on each, then I would say you could do it, because now each one is at 20,700, and then you would have enough drawdown to get one over. You know, your best bet if you're going to do that is to earn some money in both before you do it. Instead of buying a buy order, I sold. Oh, jeez. Bobby, that happens to me sometimes. It happens. You know, it's just part of the trading game. So I bought 2 minis by mistake earlier instead of micros. Bro, yo, Jim Blab, yo, at least not with your tongue. Dude, that shit's hysterical. I did it for 25K. Yeah. 25Ks are the easiest to pass because the drawdown's the same as the profit, but the drawdown is just too small for me to trade with. Like, it's just too small. We're starting to get into some chop here. I do think we're going to chop, and then eventually we're going to roll over. Yeah, I've done that. I've done that with MNQ. I thought I was on mini. I thought I was on micros, and I was on minis. Yeah. It happens. Dude, everybody makes mistakes, guys. Whoever's on this stream listening, everybody makes mistakes. It is what it is. We all do it. I make mistakes. Anybody that's profitable makes mistakes at some point. Everybody does it. Yo, I love my mom. Not in front of Yo, that's the best tip, though. Yep. Don't give mommy a kiss on daddy's birthday. Tip of the day. Dude, I like gold, but I can't. Was trading gold for a little bit, but then what I noticed is I was flipping over to gold during the day to trade it, and I don't want to do that. Although gold trends, so like gold right now is at. I bet you gold continues down the rest of the day. The activation fee for Apex is, I think they moved it to 105, Corey. They said the Easter special pricing is 105. I'm telling you, this is looking like a better deal every single freaking day that these prop firms continue to raise prices. That just keep looking better and better. The 30% off, no activation fee. Gold, London Open will always give a big move. Yeah. I know. So I was trading it around Asia. Was my time to play it. That's kind of why I took it. That's why I took this trade. You know, I'm playing the trend lines with my safety line. Come on. Asia is rough with gold. It can range nicely, and all of a sudden, yeah. It moves it, though. I'm just looking for volatility. Dude, I just got an awful. That was so bad. Really? $10. I was up $70. I was up $70, and that's what you're going to give me? I think if it could break, you're going to get a big break. I don't know if it's going to break, but. Come on. Yo, what up, Josh? Yo, Trump, give me a fuck China tariff tweet right now. Come on. Just all in one. Fuck China. I'm raising tariffs. I need it right now. Dude, I told everybody that this morning. That just the tip of the day is if you're green in your funded accounts, stop trading and just trade evals because you don't want to go 3 days of not trading and be annoyed about it. Go trade an eval you don't care about. Yeah. That's just the tip of the day. $200. Yo, I want him to just tell him to go fuck off in a tweet right now. All right, we're right at the trend line, so I got out. I mean, we're right at the. I mean, I got $95 on that, but this is risky. If we break it, I'm in and I'm out. I'm in on this break. It's kind of dicey. It's kind of dicey. I'm only grabbing 3. I don't really trust this. Just an FYI. I don't like that we're really oversold. Yeah. Yeah. I just played it on the way back up to get most of my money back. Because obviously if they fake it down, they're going to bounce it hard real quick, and that's kind of why I took it. I ain't leaving. Shooting the heat map. What is that? The stock of the day heat map or book map? You ever use the auto trailing? I have on NinjaTrader. Actually, you guys used to hear it on NinjaTrader. You just go cha-ching, 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 cha-ching as it moves down. I got rid of the noise though, but I don't do trailing anymore. I just move it manually. You're going to make that my name on this? What? Ain't fucking leaving? You waited 15 minutes. Oh, I didn't take the thing off, lazy. Yo, why didn't you? Oh. So I turned it to subscribers only when I did when we opened up for the duck race. If you're not if you weren't subscribed to the channel, you can't enter the duck race is how I made it. So if you're listening and you're not subscribed to the channel, you got to subscribe to enter for a free account. Yeah, my bad. This is what I was talking about when you get the fake dips and they pull. This is what Chad. Yeah, well, now it's open, but welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Why not subscribe to the best stream? Why not? Yeah, that's a lower high right there. Let's see if they're going to punch this through. I got an ugly fill. Let's see if they punch it through finally. I just want to be green. Here we go. This looks like it's going to go. I want confirmation. The only problem is it's a big fucking candle to break it. Like I would want maybe up a little bit, get up to like 59, retest this 9, and then go. See, at least now I have a stop losses right there. So now I have a place to put my stop loss rather than prior. I didn't have a spot to stop out of this thing at. Cool. I was up about $100 and I didn't take it, obviously. No, close to $100. I found my TP will get taken and it will continue to massive products left on the table. Yeah, I mean, listen, if it helps you out, Scotsman, you should do it. That's what I tell everybody. If you got something that's going to help you out, who cares what anybody else says? I'm moving this to even. I got rejected. Awesome. I just moved it to even. They rejected my order, and then I fucking lost on it. Holy shit. Bro. Dude. What the That's a 50-point candle. Dude, that's a 50-point candle. What just happened? Oh, geez. White House is talking about firing Powell. Oh, this is it right here. Look, governors already see a high probability of a June cut. There you go. That's the news. Dude, I'm going to start putting financial juice on my other screen. When do you watch the 5 versus the 1? I thought they can't fire him, Jim Blab. Yeah, I thought they can't fire him. Cool. Stop me out. Stop me out. Come all the way back down. Oh, I'm so fucking short biased right now. I'm so short biased, and it's going without me. I just got Trump's Twitter on another. Yeah, I got the Twitter on my phone. It gives me the alerts. Yeah, you need to have Trump Twitter. Yeah, they're not gonna. I don't know who fires him, but I know Trump can't fire him. Yo, what do you call him? Slow Powell or something like that today? I think they called him Slow Powell. Oh, Jim Blab. Place the trade first. I know this is gonna dump. I freaking know this is gonna dump. At what point I don't know, but it fucking feels like we're gonna at least see 18, if not all the way down to new lows. I'm just entered really fucking bad. Yeah, the Fed can definitely be influenced. Without a doubt, he can be influenced. But I don't think Trump has the final say in it. Oh, I'm going to get stopped. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped. It's going to come up. My problem is my entries. My entries are dog shit. Come on, pop it into this range. Yo, that's what happens, man. Get on board. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Honestly, I don't even follow news outside of what's happening in the market, to be honest with you. Come on. Don't overtrade the chop. Oh, I was just going to take $100. I just saw the 100. I just saw the 100. You little tease you. You little tease you. I saw the 100. I saw I was up 100 for a second. Don't tease me like that. I'll take the 100, make some. Just trying to make my money back. Make copies of my payouts, of my papers. All right, guys. I'll be back at 2 p.m. Yeah, I'll be back at 2 p.m. We'll do an account giveaway. If you want to support the stream, everything's below. My bias before I get off is short. Honestly, I'll just show you. We just keep wicking up. This is the 5. The big thing is if we close below this 5-minute fair value gap at 328, and we've broken this trend, and a close below 328 will probably send us lower. Isn't it a percent time to use simple bracket? I don't bracket trade right now. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. All right. I might grab like a 3 lot and just hold it, like 3 micros and just hold it. I'll just do it right now. If we bounce, I want to take it right here. Bucket. See at 140 maybe. I don't know. All right. Hopefully my bias is right. But obviously I got stops in. I'll see you in 2 hours. Peace.